Hi, my name's Skye. See if you can answer each question before I do. 5 times 11 equals 55. 12 twos. 24. 4 elevens. 44. 2 elevens. 22. 11 nines. 99. 6 elevens. 66. 3 elevens. 33. 11 eights. 88. 11 fours. 44. 11 threes. 33. 10 elevens. 110. 3 twelves. 36. 2 twelves. 24. 12 tens. 120. 11 sixes. 66. 9 elevens. 99. 8 elevens. 88. 11 tens. 110. 10 twelves. 120. 11 fives. 55. 11 twos. 22. Well done, you. Now try Math Trainer at mathisfun.com.